You finally start making money, and suddenly everybody remembers you. Your phone begins to ring more than ever before. Parents, siblings, cousins, even people you haven't heard from in years. Before the month ends, your salary is already finished. This is what many people call black tax. Black tax is the financial responsibility successful people carry for their extended family. In other words, when your success doesn't just change your life, it becomes everyone else's lifeline too. Helping your parents, paying school fees for siblings, handling unexpected family emergencies, and slowly, your own life gets delayed. But here's the difficult part. One voice says, your family sacrificed for you. The other voice says, if you keep giving like this, you may never build wealth. Millions of people across Africa and the diaspora carry this weight silently every single month. But there is a deeper problem most people don't see. One generation struggles, one person succeeds, and suddenly that one person becomes the financial backbone of everyone. That weight can become overwhelming, and if you're not careful, it can destroy your own financial future. So what is the solution? Strategy number 1. Create a family support budget. There's no perfect number. Decide in advance how much you can realistically help with. When the budget finishes, it finishes. Strategy number 2. Invest before you assist. This isn't selfishness. A broke helper can't help for long. Secure your financial oxygen mask first, because investments grow. Strategy number 3. Help family become financially independent. Support businesses. Pay for skill training. One-time empowerment beats endless handouts. Strategy number 4. Learn how to say not now. You can say, I love you and I'm going to show up for this family, but right now I'm building the foundation that lets me do that properly. Let me get back to you by so-and-so date. Adding a specific commitment reduces family conflict dramatically. It shows care, not rejection. Strategy number 5. Create a family emergency fund. Put aside small money every month, so emergencies don't destroy your finances. Remember this, supporting family is not the problem. The problem is when it destroys your future. The goal is balance. When you grow wealth, you can help more people. But if you sacrifice your financial future, your financial freedom is also generational wealth. The best thing you can do for your family is not become another person they have to carry. True success is not becoming the family ATM. True success is changing the financial story of your entire family. Build wealth, help wisely, and become the generation that finally breaks the cycle. Subscribe so you don't miss any of these kind of videos. Drop a comment below this video if this finally clicked for you. It helps more people find quality content like this. See you in the next one.